In this video, we'll explore the most common English words that start with the letter A, perfect for building your vocabulary and speaking more naturally. Let's get started.
Already. Use already in a sentence. She has already left the office. Half the work is already finished. Have you already read this book? Alternative. Use alternative in a sentence. We have no alternative but to fire him. He had no alternative but to quit the job. There are two alternatives for you to choose from. Although. Use although in a sentence. Although she lives nearby, I rarely see her. Although he has many friends, he is lonely. Although he's nearly 80, he is still very active. Altogether. Use altogether in a sentence. You owe me $99 altogether. I don't altogether agree with you. It has cost me $1,000 altogether. Always. Use always in a sentence. I always fly business class. Your advice is always helpful to me. Money doesn't always bring happiness. Amaze. Use amaze in a sentence. I was amazed at his courage. It amazes me that no one noticed the error. I'm amazed at her rapid progress in English. Amazing. Use amazing in a sentence. Their performance was amazing. The magician performed some amazing tricks. It's amazing how much money he spends every day. Ambition. Use ambition in a sentence. I have no political ambition. His ambition is to become a great scientist. She finally achieved her ambition of becoming a famous writer. Ambulance. Use ambulance in a sentence. Please send an ambulance. Do you want me to call an ambulance? She died before the ambulance arrived. Among, amongst. Use among, amongst in a sentence. There is a traitor among us. She was chosen from among 30 applicants. The profits are shared out equally among the partners. Amount. Use amount in a sentence. This will save us a substantial amount of time. I borrowed a large amount of money from her. No amount of money can make up for their loss. Amuse. Use amuse in a sentence. My joke amused everyone. That picture will amuse you. We were greatly amused by her story.